Building mental strength in 3 steps. Introduction. Becoming mentally strong is a transformative journey that involves cultivating resilience, self-awareness, and positive habits. In this script, we'll explore 3 essential steps to help you build mental strength and navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Step 1. Cultivate self-awareness. Mental strength begins with self-awareness. Take time to reflect on your thoughts, emotions, and reactions to various situations. Identify your strengths and areas for improvement. Journaling can be a powerful tool for self-reflection. By understanding yourself better, you gain the ability to respond to challenges with greater clarity and purpose. Now that we've explored self-awareness, let's move on to the second step. Embrace resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity. It involves developing a positive mindset and viewing setbacks as opportunities for growth. Embrace challenges as learning experiences, and focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Practice mindfulness and gratitude to cultivate a resilient mindset. Remember, setbacks are not failures but stepping stones toward success. Having discussed resilience, let's move on to the final step. Foster positive habits. Building mental strength involves adopting positive habits that contribute to your overall well-being. Establish a routine that prioritizes self-care, including adequate sleep, regular exercise, and healthy nutrition. Surround yourself with supportive relationships and seek professional help when needed. Small, consistent actions lead to significant positive changes over time. In conclusion, building mental strength is a continuous process that involves self-awareness, resilience, and positive habits. By incorporating these 3 steps into your daily life, you empower yourself to face challenges with confidence and lead a more fulfilling and resilient life. Remember, it's the small, intentional choices that shape your mental strength over time. Start today, and embrace the journey towards a stronger and more resilient you.